Most transactions were cash.
Transaction is your best.
Maita maria maingi andu mahuthagira mbeca very. One, because people never used to transact a lot of money. Ona negwichiria mitoka ya mbere guka guku yaguragwo very.
I should think so.
Yes. Na nikio mundu ena mbeca ri ciauna nagwo mugathie njira itigaine mucemanirie mbere mo consolidate.
You spread the risk.
And I think it was a beautiful thing. That is why people used to invest together. Waigua mundu ni arathie kurihwo mbeca ciake ngiri 50. And back then 50,000 was a lot of money. Yes. Ukaigua akua muru wa nyina ariu a nyina eri tondu ngihoka othe tondu huthu ni okay. Wakineguo na muthuri ta mutungati mwakohorero mukauna na mbeca iri
o mundu ciake ikumi
na mukiana mutiguthie nginya ngari imwe ona heo kuingira cia murengo
no ngerwo we ndu kuingirira ngari guku okuma umagara maguru
wethie kianda we nawe ingira cia njira thie kaka nawe ri abata nginya nagara reke nie njoere kaunage gake
anda
because now it was hard to actually handle cash. Na nikio igua akiria mitiri people would tell tales of aici matengeretio makawithia bia nginya bengi ciagwo very. Yes. Na kuo hindi kwa forago hindi yo ri mbeca ta riu tugithie thukuru tondu we are from that generation niguo kinya andu cukuru cigetiga ku accept kindu gitagwo
cash money.
Yes. And I don't know whether that document still is in existence. Weta yo kindu gitagwo money order.
Money order nile twagira bothita.
Yes.
I remember money order.
Wathio kamigura bothita. Yeni.
Ewe okiuma muci ugithie thukuru ri. Ukanengerwo ciringi ciaku 7,000 ciri cia kuri habithi.
Yes.
No kerwo ni maitoguo ugithie uri ei. Ukaingatwo ha ungore.
Wega biu. And largely ri. Nigetha guke money order ri. That is where mistrust started. Tondu andu mathia makaria bithi makaigua
nikura
nikuiywo ati jamorirwo matatu-ini.
Now the criminal has eaten the money.
The criminal has devoured 6,000. Yes. Bithi ya tamu
idakwira
agathi kuria maica. Yes. Koina nere ciare njuru riu ng'ano icio cianjia gukinya thukuru mwarimu nie ndatumite mwana na mbe
na ngimunengera mbia ciothe arihe cia tamu ino.
Mwana uria akauga nie ndirehutĩirie mũhuko mũgoiri
nie tugicuka ngari mukuyu ngaikirie guoko muhuko ngigua ndire mbia
biciri riu kinya andu cukuru cikiuga only money order. Riu muciari athia bothita they will not even let you handle the money. No uyirwo akaneana mbeca akaheo money order. Hiyo it was good as cash.
Yes, ugatwara thukuru
to the person addressed. Yes, ugatwara thukuru ciarehwo ri mabanga mwe meguthie bothita makioe mbeca maikie bengi ya thukuru. Of course, there were very few families who would come and pay school fees in check. Cheki diare jone. Cheki diare andu ai cheki. Maito mirinio cheki tuona twi guku andu yi.
Mundu ajitie gwithukumira. Cheki.
Riki urauga we. Cheki sura tokinyoni kia bakiri. Na standard shata.
Na Kenya Kamacio
na National Bank na ito bothita
na bothita
cheki
tiare nyoneki
tondu waigua kwanja mundu saina gaceki ni ari karamu gake
gaceki
Na karamu gace gigatiandikaga useless notes.
And very awkward things like love letter.
No, it was
Those ni agionirio omwagite muno.
It was not used for selling appeal emotion.
Kauni gago saina cheki.
Na mundu wa saina cheki akona mawanu. Kahigura ifukura magacona kia he. Karamu karuto ha kagotini. Aka higura gakunekwa katwara iguru. Kasaina omothe niri.
Ni mweri igere.
Kasaina karika amount in words. Amount in figures. Yo twarira mwarimu. Ndugakuje. Agire mu matho ma high school matari mona mundu ari hana cheki.
Yes, aige.
Money order ciakire pa.
Money order, that was the order of the day.
And some people who used to pay in installments kwenda twathoma na thina muno. Acio ni makiguagirwo muciari oka na ngiri imwe. Ana manana.
Agathie kwa basa.
Athi kwa basa
akaiguirwo.
No money order ni ya revolutionize maundu tondu mundu ni ari ya bithi.
Andu ni marite bithi.
Yes. Utanoka kurewa fe ari.
Andu manjirie na kuria bithi.
Na mundu erago wari a bithi wari hakirike. Ciaku. No, they are paid. I don't matter.
No, those people are not very interested in education.
Yeah.
Are ya fithi.
Ni. Ugathio kamera ya vio. Na igathira.
Na daramaka.
Yeah.
Kena nere giki.
And they would come and explain the kuiwaji.
Ile kuiwajiro.
Yes. Cheki hundi.
Yeah, Cheki there. Hey, Cheki was very rare.
Gumu sana.
Koma
ni order Iego Secondary School. PO Box 655 Muranga. Yes.
Negacoge kahurwo. Stamp.
Yes. Nyakandikwo mbeca. Riu we ukana utamikujite. Wikagia bag. Gatagati ka mafu.
Gaifuku. Bas.
Yes.
Uko gathi hare hapa saa dirisha-ini.
Yes. Kama unaengera kero. Bona ni nusu.
Msasi alisema hizo ndizo zilionekana.
Unaujua military hautafikisha kama asitarezwa. Those were the days.
Before technology.
You know, now you can transfer. They want to transfer. No, there were no transfers. You have to withdraw. Utuware account in.
Yes.
Maundu
ni magicenjirie.
Things changed.
Umuthe iria hawo nginya na thimu.
Wega piu. No, actually I don't even shukuru no nathi kwa line ire. No confirmation. Yes.
Iko virada eka 44.